How do visual proofs work in math graphing? Imagine trying to explain why a certain graph shape is correct without just using words or equations. Visual proofs let us do exactly that by showing us the answer through pictures. They use diagrams or graphs to prove why a math statement is true by making it clear and easy to see. Instead of just doing long calculations, you can look at a graph and understand the idea instantly. In math, a graph shows how two or more things relate to each other. For example, it can show how the value of a function changes as you move along the x-axis. Visual proofs use these graphs to highlight important features like where lines cross, how steep a curve is, or which parts of the graph satisfy a certain condition. Let's say you are solving an inequality, which is a math statement that compares two expressions. Instead of solving it with lots of algebra, you can draw the graph of the related equation. Then, you can see which parts of the graph are above or below a certain line. The areas that satisfy the inequality are the parts you shade or mark. This makes it easier to find the solution because you see it right in front of you. In graph theory, which is a branch of math that studies points called vertices connected by lines called edges, visual proofs help show properties like whether a graph is connected or if removing a certain point breaks it apart. By drawing the graph clearly, you can see these features without complicated calculations. For example, if removing one vertex splits the graph into two parts, you can see it visually. Visual proofs also help students avoid getting overwhelmed by long steps. Instead of following many algebra rules, they can just look at the picture and understand why something is true. This saves time and makes learning less stressful, especially for 10th graders who are balancing many subjects. Using pictures and graphs to prove ideas makes math more understandable and quicker to learn. In summary, visual proofs in math graphing work by turning abstract ideas into clear pictures. They show why a property or statement is true by highlighting key features on a graph. This way, students can see the answer directly, making math easier and faster to understand. It's a smart way to learn that helps students manage their study time better and build confidence in their skills.